Hostel Management Software. Managing a hostel shouldn't be stressful. At Nizi Solutions, we make it simple, smart, and seamless with our hostel management software designed to fit your budget.
Our hostel management software is built to streamline operations, reduce manual work, and ensure complete control, all from one easy-to-use platform. Key features showcase room and bed allocation, assign rooms and beds instantly, track occupancy in real time. Student and guest records maintain complete digital profiles. Keep ID proofs, payment records, and history in one place. Fee and payment management. Automate fee collection, reminders, and receipts. Integrate multiple payment options. Reports and analytics. Generate reports for occupancy, revenue, and expenses. Data-driven insights for better decisions. Notifications and alerts. Send reminders for payments, room renewals, or notices. Keep students and management always updated. Security and access control. Manage hostel entry/exit logs. Ensure safe and secure student housing. Humanized, benefit-oriented segment. Whether you're managing a small hostel or a large chain, our software saves time, reduces errors, and improves student satisfaction. No more paperwork, no more confusion, just smooth hostel management. Nizi Solutions, delivering smart hostel management solutions within your budget. Book your free demo today and experience the future of hostel management.